Son, I want to talk to you about something important. Please. Well, I don't know the best way to start this conversation since today has been a very strange and heavy day for me, full of thoughts and worries. And I really need to share them with you calmly because you are growing up and I believe you deserve honesty, even when the truth is not easy to say. Of course, Dad, I can talk with you, and I am actually very excited today because I was thinking about many things I want to do this month and many plans I have for school, for my hobbies, and for my future. And I also wanted to tell you how proud I am of you, Dad. Really, because I always tell my friends that my father has a great job, a good salary, and that he works very hard to give our family a better life. Hearing that makes my heart feel warm and heavy at the same time because I love that you feel proud of me and I love that you have dreams, plans, and big hopes for your future. But today something unexpected happened at work, something I did not plan, something I did not want. And since the moment I left the office, I had been thinking again and again about how to explain it to you without hurting your feelings or breaking your excitement. Don't worry, Dad. You can tell me anything because I trust you and I know you always try your best for our family. So, next month, I want to join a sports club, buy new shoes, pay for extra classes at a school, and maybe even save some money for a small trip with my classmates. And I was very happy because I thought everything would be easy with your job. I love that you want to study more, play sports, and enjoy your youth. But this is exactly why this conversation is so difficult for me. Today, my manager called me into his office, looked at me with a serious face, and told me that the company is having financial problems, that they need to reduce the staff, and that my position is no longer available. I am a little confused because you always said your company was strong and growing. I I never imagined something like this could happen. You are very good at your job. So I don't understand why they could let you go. Sometimes, son, losing a job is not about being good or bad, strong or weak, but about decisions, about numbers, budgets, and plans that we cannot control. And even though I worked hard, arrived early, left late, and gave my best every day, today they told me that my contract ends this week. I see. Now I start to understand why you look so tired and quiet today. I was counting on that money. Now I don't know what our situation is. This is the hardest part, and this is what has been breaking my heart since the afternoon. Because I know you need support, you need stability, and you need opportunities to grow. But for some time, I will not be able to give you everything you want or everything you planned. And I may not be able to give you extra money for clubs, trips, or new things, at least until I find a new job or rebuild our financial situation step by step. I feel a little sad hearing this because I was dreaming about many things, and now I realize that life can change very fast without warning. But I also see that you are very honest with me and that you are trying to protect me. I don't know how to feel. I wanted to do many things. I know it's not your fault. I understand, son. I know you feel upset, but I will find a better job. I promise. I will get a job soon. It doesn't matter if I have to work on something I don't like. I'm going to do my best to get the money to pay for all your things. Know that that's not necessary. I still believe in you and I still feel proud of you. Not because of your job or your salary, but because you are a good father, a hard worker, and a honest man. And maybe we cannot buy everything now, or travel, or pay for all my plans, but we can still study, work together. Better days will come because I know you will not give up. You just take it easy. We will be fine. Just find a job you enjoy. Are you sure about that? But you need a lot of things, and that everything will be fine. Just promise me that you will find a job you like. Are you really sure about that? Wow, I am surprised that I'm sure everything will be fine. I promise. We'll be fine. Thank you, son. Your words give me more strength than any salary or promotion. Let us face this together, Dad, because family life is not only about money, comfort, and plans, but about love, support, and staying united when times are hard. And maybe one day, when I am older, I will remember this conversation and understand how important it was because it taught me that real success is not never falling, but rising again with dignity and hope. That is exactly right, my son. And now, even if my heart is still heavy, it feels lighter than before because I am not alone with this problem anymore. And I know that with patience, effort, and faith, better days will come. And when they do, we will appreciate them even more because we'll learn to value not only what we have, but who we are and how we face life together. Yes, you are right. We will be fine. Now I know everything will be fine.